All right, everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on my 2016 Model X. I'm installing the air filter in the front. This is the HEPA air filter. Mine doesn't have it, so some vehicles have it, some don't. You had to have gotten the premium upgrade package on your vehicle, which was a $4,500 upgrade in 2016 to be able to get this option. So ours wasn't equipped with this. So this is a way to install that filter without having to pay Tesla $500. That's how much they want to upgrade to the HEPA air filter. You can install this option for, this was like $80 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. So I'm going to take the front trunk apart and start working on this. So this is applicable whether you have the upgrade or not, because you can actually buy this same filter and replace your HEPA air filter if it's dirty with this same one. You can just rip the old one out, put this one in. So whether you have it or not, this should be useful. So we're going to get started here. Alrighty, first step, pop the front trunk open, and then you just want to pull these panels off. Start with the back one here, the one along the top. These just pop out, so just get your hand under, pull out the clips, set them aside. So over here on the side, just get my hand under here, and just pops out very easily. And then along the front, the same thing. Just lift up on it, and it comes right out. And then for the final one on the right side, same exact thing, just pop it right out. So 4 panels out, real simple. Okay, now that I have the panels off, I just have to remove this. There's a rubber gasket, rubber trim piece that comes out. I'm putting a piece of tape on here because I want to be able to mark where this came off of so I can put this rubber gasket back in the same position. So all I'm doing here is I'm just going to mark the location and then just pull up on it so that way it'll be able to put it back where it goes. But it's simple, just lift it up, peels right off. Okay, next, once we have that off, now we just pull out this kind of a felt line, fabric line tub tray. And then there's 2 clips here. You just get you can see there's a little tab, you just push down on it and then pull the wire out, that comes out. That's pretty easy. Okay, this part here, there's 20 bolts, so get like an electric screwdriver, an impact driver or something, take all these bolts out. Okay, 10 millimeter are each of these bolts. Okay, all the screws are out. Now this just big plastic tub pulls out. These wires here just go back through these holes. Now I'm going to clean this up, but this is where the HEPA air filter goes. Mine obviously doesn't have it. So if yours has it, you can just keep this same plastic trim piece and then just install this new filter if you want. So we're going to get the vacuum out. We're going to get a wet rag. We're really going to wipe this all down and get it cleaned up to get the air filter installed. This really took me, less than 10 minutes to get to this point, so it's not a hard process. Okay, so we got the new filter out. If you see here, this actually folds up, so when it comes, it looks like it's half the size, but it actually folds out. Airflow is pointing this way, so airflow, this white part's going to face out. This yellowish part's going to face inward. So there's a foam, kind of like a foam surrounding gasket around it that's going to help it fit in here. So if you had the existing HEPA and you need to take it out, you can actually, it's glued in, you just would peel out the old one. So if yours doesn't have it, like this one, you can just pop this in. Okay, I'm just making sure that it's flush. This fits very snugly, so this will be a good fit here. All right, as easy as that. Okay, so now that you have that in, I'm going to put my plastic tub back in. The only thing you want to be aware of here is these the lights. harnesses just need to go through these holes. Okay, now I'm just going to put all 20 screws back in, 10mm bolts. Okay, now our liner goes in. Just need to plug in our lights here first. These only go in one way. These are simple to do. My tape fell off this thing, so that didn't really help. But if you see on this, see there's a little like protrusion on this rubber gasket right here. So I knew that was in this corner, so I just put it back in the same corner. So you just want to try putting it back in the same way that it came. So mark it somehow, maybe with a marker, or if you have some kind of something like this that's going to identify which corner that goes in, that's going to help it go back. Okay, so we're just going to put our plastic trim pieces around the front trunk area. I'm putting the front one on first just because these two lay on top of this one. Okay, this side one, we know this one has a hole for the windshield washer fluid. Okay, so we're leaving this little tag out. This is like, so the fire department knows where to cut the power disconnect. I need to... All right, just like that, we are good to go. All right, well, thanks for watching the video. As you can tell, that's a pretty easy, pretty straightforward process and easy to do yourself, so no need to pay the service center to do that for you. Be sure to check out the link to the filter in the description. Be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.